Top of the top, man. Top of the freaking top. So, in all honesty, this video is coming with a very heavy heart. I'm not gonna lie. It's coming with a very, very heavy heart because right now, down like 3,200 on my trades. Down. Down bad. I ain't even gonna cap. Down bad, bad. Down bad. And it's rocking out even lower. You feel me? So, in a lot of these positions, we've lost 50, 20, 80, 30, 30, 30, 80. And I thought we seen bottom here. And it just kept going. Now we even seeing a large drop off here. I know exactly what happened though. Let me just give y'all a little bit of analysis. This video is coming with a heavy heart, but at the same time, if I can get this information out and it actually works, because like I said, dealing with them emotional losses and tolls, it's like, there's no way to really prepare for it. So I don't want to talk to a girl about it. I don't want to talk to my mom about it. Talk to my mentor about it, but can't nobody really prepare you for days like this. So it's a lot of people on social media that inspire you. So I'm gonna just hop on the tube. You feel me? I'm gonna hop on the tube, express my feelings and my emotions about what's going on in this situation, how I'm feeling. Because on the flip side, if if this was up, I would have came with a video too. So I got to hold strong. You feel me? I got to hold strong. And in times like this, when you don't know, you do two things, right? You go down to your principal analysis and make sure that your system is working, and you ask around. You feel me, about other people that might be experiencing the same type of issues you experiencing. I'm really on this trading journey by myself. I got a homie that does it with me, but he's pretty boggled up with work and stuff like that. Well, he taught me this system, and I've been trading maybe for like 12 years on and off since I was probably like 18. Um, so as we walk majority of this trade journey ourselves and vlog the experience, I gotta find inspiration from somewhere. That's pretty much it. So one person that I really really love to freaking look at is this guy Wall Street Trap, right? Is this guy freaking Wall Street Trap? And 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 Wall Street Trap is really that guy. He's really that guy. He is really that guy. Yeah, Wall Street Trap is really that guy, man. So, why we gonna go to Wall Street Trap is for this reason specifically right here. Times like this, you gotta go towards inspiration. See, you made this first video, boom, happy, excited, boom. First cross that milli mark. It's good. You can't have $32,000 days without having the minus 3,000 or the minus $3,400 months. It's just not gonna happen. But it's mentally preparing yourself for stuff like that. But in all honesty, this is the one that I really wanted to pull up to y'all right here. Right here. Minus 600,000. And it's actually more than this. This is just what he posted. It's actually more than this. Because How many days ago was this? This was 6 days ago, you feel me? Boom. This was 6 days ago. But on the flip side, you feel me? My boy posted his all-time high account, 4.7 million. You feel me? 4.7 million. This is on the 10th. So this is about almost a month ago. 2 weeks ago. So 2 weeks ago, boom. And then 6 days later, your account go to minus 600,000. So his highest that he was at 4.7 million. You feel me? 4.7 million. Basically, let's just say 4.8 million. 2 weeks later, 2 weeks later, my nigga account at 1.8, and this after a $300,000 gain. So my nigga literally lost 1.2 million, nigga, in a matter of 2 weeks. 1.2 million, 2 weeks. And you know what he doing? You see what he doing? He's still posting. He's still posting. He's still putting out plays. He's still putting out information to help the public. He's still teaching you how to seek God and find the right person that you're looking for. He's still updating the community on stuff that's going on. This post is from what? 2 days ago. This post is from today. Look, he just posted 30 minutes ago. That's what I'm saying. You feel me? His story up. Story. Got a story. He up. What did he do yesterday? What did he do yesterday? I watched his story yesterday. He was working out. He put the weight vest on and did a run. Boom. My man getting his head right. He down 1.2. You feel me? Then he got people posting for him. You feel me? Bringing them back up. My nigga was up 4.8 million. And this is after a game. So bro literally probably lost at bro probably lost 1.5 million. Made another play, hit for like 300,000. Now he's building his profile back up. When these massive withdrawals come, massive breaks come. You feel me? Massive breaks out come. You feel me? In prime example, this is my week of trading. So this is how we're going right here. This is where we at right here with it. So as you can see, we were all in the money, and then we got to take the 20s with the losses. You feel me? The reds with the greens. It is what it is. It just is what it is. So I'm going to pull one of these segments back up on one of these trade sequences from the 628, right? These companies right here, Sherman, CRH, I would have got them at these prices and they would have shot up here. So look, down 25 points, the same week when the contract, right before the contracts would have expired. They would have expired this week. So remember, we buy contracts out for a month. The 26th is on Friday. You feel me? The 26th is on Friday. We would have been down $2,600. Pretty much the same thing we had now. $3,500 because I didn't even catch the lows at this point. And then the next following week, the next Friday, 2 days later, would have been up 30 points. And then the next Wednesday would have been up 69 points. Held the contracts till today or till last night and canceled them. Sold them off early in the morning, like how we do 1 hour before market enters. We would have been up $8,700. You feel me? So it's just about, this is why you got to be able to paper trade. Like I paper traded on here with a system for 1, 2, 3 weeks straight. You feel me? 3 weeks. 4 weeks actually, because I didn't even pick up these right here either. This is the 5th week that I'm in. Fifth system. Or not fifth system, but 5th week of implementing a system, trying to use it. So if I break at week 5 when I'm in the negative, and I was already in the negative here, boom, boom, Friday, boom, it took basically almost 10 whole days, almost 2 weeks for you to basically get about the red and get in the green. So my point being, if Wall Street Trap is losing 1.5 million, okay, I don't know who that person is, but no. So if Wall Street Trap is losing 1.5 million in 2 weeks, imagine how much Warren Buffett losing. Imagine how much Warren Buffett is losing, right? When the Dow dropped, when the Dow dropped 500 points, that's a lot. You're talking about 1% of the market. That's a lot of dough. Imagine losing one. Imagine losing 1% of $1 billion, or 1% of $1 trillion. It's $1 billion. You feel me? So in 2 weeks, Warren Buffett profile might be down 400 million. This is where it's like, now if I liquidate these trades, now that's money in the market. That people that when the market actually reverses and these trades actually go positive in a week, 2 weeks, or actually just return back to where they were before to break even, I've already liquidated and I put my money into the market. No, I'm gonna wait, patiently wait, because as we see, right, it has to bottom out somewhere. So it's Wednesday. We looking for it to bottom out on Wednesday. Maybe give us a little bit of momentum coming into the week. Coming into the week end of the Friday. So I'm basically trying to just, I'm not even really trying to profit off these trades at this point. What I'm trying to do is minimize my losses. So if I'm down 3,000 for the month, and a lot of my contracts don't even expire until another 2 weeks out. So a lot of these contracts don't even expire until 2 weeks, 3 weeks out. So my main thing is just making sure that I'm watching these charts so well. I'm watching these charts so well that when they actually pull back and they hit their resistance point, when they pull back and they actually hit their resistance point, I can pull out and get my dough. You feel me? I can pull out and get my dough, and for minimum loss, right? So these right here, they expire on Friday, so that's automatic. I'm gonna probably just look to pull out early in the market, early in the market. Try to get as much money as back as possible. Two more in next week, and then a lot of these plays already. Like my biggest losses, this Visa one doesn't end until the 9th. You feel me? That's 2 weeks away. Got time to recover. The Broadcom, another one of my biggest losses, could come back, and this one doesn't even end until 3 weeks from now. 3 weeks from now. So that's what I'm saying. This is why you put the contracts out so far that. Oh, another thing is too, when I bought those contracts, when I did double down, that's the reason why I'm down. If I would have doubled down now, like on Wednesday, so when we double down, we gotta wait until Wednesday. Everything happens on Wednesday. I'm starting to realize that. And like I said, an hour into the market, right? An hour into the market. Now it's hitting, it's all low. Now it's bouncing up. An hour into the market. You feel me? So we're gonna do a round of applause for ourselves, bro, because I'm gonna stand strong. And the reason I'm gonna stand strong is because I know what I'm doing works. I know what I'm doing works. I know it works. So in a month from now, our account needs to be over $9,200. When it's over $9,200, we have broken even, gained money, and repeated the system for 5 weeks straight in profit. Might be because we're in a bull market, but all we gotta do is flip the analysis, and we will be able to have the same analysis for the bear market. But as you see, it's bouncing hard right now. It's bouncing hard, like it's bouncing super hard right now. It's bouncing hard. So this is good. I wonder if I should be looking to close out some of these trades. Hell no, not yet. They gotta bounce some more for me. Yeah, gotta bounce a little bit more. Gotta bounce a little bit more, shawty. All right, so look, this is also what we're gonna pull up to. So this is how we're gonna know where to move the money to, right? So this loss started out. A lot of these losses started out pretty much the same: -3.5, -3, -2, -2. -3, whatever. And as you see, the following week they got bigger. The losses that got bigger didn't really recover again. You feel me? Like this one went down 19. The lowest it got back to was 3. So this is what I'm looking for right here. Like I'm looking to get out around my Visa play. So Visa for me right now is down 10. You feel me? But it was up 6. So if I can get Visa down, to probably like, actually I could pull it up right here on bro. I could pull it up right here, dog, and see exactly where I could pull out. Let's see exactly where I could pull out. Yep, boom. Okay, cool. So I knew it hit this 255 last night after market close because their earnings reports came out. And they were lower than expected. So that shit dropped 10 points, buddy. 10 points. 10 points. Talk about disgusting. Talk about disgusting. Disgusting. So if this wants to load up for me. All right, bet. So as you see, Visa basically bounced right off that support. It bounced right off that support. It's trading below the 200. It's trading below the 20. It's trading below the 50. It bounced right off support. So I don't really got strong hope for Visa. So it might just return back to this support line. It has support right here from earlier in the year, which is probably where it'll return. So maybe 2, which is but right there, which is actually where it's at right now, which is actually where the next support line is. So yeah, I'll say like 260, 262, somewhere in there. 262, I'll be able to go back up 5 points. 5 points on 2 contracts. That's like 1,000. So that actually put me close to being in the money, honestly. So yeah, so like 260. Just need to get up out of there. At like 260, get up out of my Valero. Yep. No, my Visa. And the crazy thing is, look at my analysis right here. 263 bounced off the 50 moving average as 258 and can run to 270. So if I would have just waited a little bit longer, see, that's one thing too, like getting your entries correctly, bro, because my analysis is beyond perfect on this one, bro. Like, it's beyond perfect, dog. Like, and this was on the 10th. All I had to do was just wait 2 weeks. If I would have waited 2 weeks, it would have did exactly what I said I would have did. I could have avoided this minus $1,000 loss. Bought the contract right now for 2 weeks, 3 weeks out, and it would have been probably half of the price. Because it did exactly. It's at 256, bro. It's at 256, bro. And my analysis is at 258. Literally, right here, dog. Right here. Right here, B. So that's what I'm saying. I gotta stick it out. So since I pulled the trigger too early, I didn't even pull the trigger too early because my first buy wasn't that bad. If I would have checked back on my second analysis and bought my second contract at 258 or right here at 256, whatever the case may be, it would have been an easier possibility for me to ride this up to the top at 274 a month from now. You feel me? It would have been much easier for me to be able to do that. So what we're going to do now is, since we got in a little too early, we're going to basically just cap it at, 260? So at 260, sell contract. At 260, max 262, sell contracts. Sell contracts, move to next trade. Boom, simple as that. So just follow our stuff, man. Just follow our stuff, because I would have been able to ride. You feel me? I would have been able to ride, bro. But anyway, well, this is why we keep track of this stuff, though, bro. This is why we keep track of this stuff. Because as we keep track, we're implementing systems, programs, and protocols on stuff to do, stuff not to do, and how to consistently make sure that you're making the right decisions every single time. You feel me? That's all it's about, bro. Making the proper decisions every single time. You feel me? And as our profile comes back, we just looking to keep going, bro. We just looking to keep going. Cause the better I get at this, the more money I'm gonna make. The more I'm gonna trust myself. The more I'm gonna be like Wall Street Trap, nigga. Having $1.5 million losses. And then a month from now, I'm up like 7 million. Let's not go that extreme. His 1.7 million down day is probably gonna transition into like he doing options, so he might do like 60 to 80% of that income. You feel me? So if he down 1.7, let's go 1.7 million times. Let's just do like 72%. So he'll make, so from down from that 1.7, my guy gonna go back up 1.2. So he'll turn a $1.7 million loss into 2.9 million. So that's what I'm saying. With trading, you can't get your losses back. He's not going to get that back. What he's going to do, though, he's going to make a better trade and shoot past that. That's the thing. You feel me? The only time you're trying to get your losses back is when you're like, all right, bet, man, the market hit its bottom. Like Visa, all these players are hitting their bottom. Like we said earlier today before the video started, we was 80, 90, shit like that. Like, you just waiting for the market to recover, get out of them positions, move on to the next ones. Because this 12% loss right here is giving us other stocks to pull into, you feel me? Other stocks to put onto our watch list, other stocks to put investments into. But if we get shook out in the market and I start cashing this in, Warren Buffett, Wall Street Trap, some other random Joe Schmo in Miami that I don't know is going to turn my money that's on paper liquid. No, not doing it. I'm going to do that to somebody else. Like, I'm a hold out. I'm a hold out and wait for the next person to cash in. So when my profile go up, I can cash in not at a loss, not at a down, but as a profitable trader. You feel me? As a profitable trader. So I don't know, wow, 3 months. I ain't even been in the market 3 months. So down 32 on the month. Mind you, we just bought these contracts on the 12th. So what is that? 2 weeks. So this week 1, wow. We're gonna rock out, man. We're gonna rock out. But like I was saying right here, right? Boom. So these, right? Small losses, huge gains, right? Small wins, semi huge win. 10 points, that's a lot. I'm not gonna lie, that's a lot. Small, this one dropped a lot, but it also recovered a whole lot. You feel me? Small wins pop real big. You feel me? Small wins pop real cool. Big losses, medium losses, big losses turn into more bigger losses. So what we're gonna do is not be naive, right? And see that, okay, Broadcom, I literally just bought the rumor on that. So we'll probably just hold that one. But we'll probably do the same thing with Broadcom and Visa. We're just looking for exits. Right? Because this is turned into a big win and then it turned into a big loss. So we just got to just let that one go. This one turned into a big loss and then it's turned into a bigger loss. So we got to let that one go. And now what we have to do is find out which one of these companies that we want to go with specifically. So we're in a lot of gas. We're in gas, 3 positions on gas, airlines, and then what is this? Like residential and then consumer. So we kind of diversified. I'm liking Dash. I'm liking Dash because it had semi good wins, and then now it's like coming down. So Dash is cool, and it's a pretty expensive contract too. The stock is at 105, so it can have those jumps of 10, 12 points, basically minimizing this right here. You feel me? Or not even the Broadcom one. We'll just focus on Visa, knocking out Visa, having Dash knock out Visa, and then this one is at a short period loss, so we can have Valero put us in profit for. We can try to have Phillies. I'm just going off my analysis, bro. So I'm looking for Phillies Valero to supplement the losses in Visa. Dash can rally with B and supplement the losses of Broadcom, and then MPC could potentially bring in profits. So that's what we got to say today. Just keep spirits alive, keep hope alive, knowing that when you down, the market. I mean, when your profile's down, other people's profiles down too, bro. Like, yeah, other people's profile are down too, bro. It's okay. Like, it's all right. Tesla shares fell 8% in pre-market trading after earnings missed. 8%. That just happened to me with Visa. You feel me? So imagine how much money Elon Musk just is down today. Down, not lost. Down. He's not selling those stocks. 8% of Tesla? It's like $1 trillion company. Is it? We can do the calculations right now, B. We can just look. Just look. Just look at the losses, man. It's not you. It's not the market picking on you. It's not you. If you got your technical analysis correct, if you got your system properly in place, if you're not scared by seeing paper money turn, whoa, whoa. They dropped 29 points today, B. They dropped 29 points today. On the year, on the this past week they dropped 12% revenue. The market cap is 600 and let's just say 700 billion. So 700 billion, right? 700 billion. We're going to do 700 billion, right? $700 billion times let's just say 13%. My nigga my nigga is down $91 billion in one day. In one day. You hear me? $91 billion, bro. Am I reading that right? Yes, I am, bro. It's $91 billion. 91 billion. I'm down 900. We down the same amount. He down 12%. I'm down 12%. You feel me? Look, 12% on the week. 12.64 to be exact. 12.64 to be exact. And I'm down 13%. Boom. So you feel me? Wall Street trap. I couldn't find his percentage. I could do the math on it real quick though. It wouldn't be that big of a deal. So he lost 1.2. So he had 1. So he lost what 1.5, 1.5, and he was at what 4.7. What percentage is that? Let me see. Where the fuck is the thing? All right, he was at like 4.8. So we'll do 4.8. 4.8 million. He lost like 1.5. My nigga went down 31%. Trap lost 31%. Trap lost 31%, B, of his profile. Let's look up Elon Musk net worth, right? Elon Musk net worth. 2.5 billion, right? And my nigga lost 91 million, right? So if his company lost 91 million, most of his shares are in there. So if he lost 91 billion, sorry, 91 billion. He lost 30% of his value. He lost 36% of his he lost 36% of his net worth in one day. He ain't the richest. He can't be the richest person right now. Who are the top richest people in the world? Let's see. What do they own? Oh, Vlad was right. Elon Musk and Tesla. Jeff Bezos and Amazon. My guy in the Louis V, like fashion, killing it right now. Third richest person. It's a family. Mark. Facebook. Oracle. I don't even know what that is. Google. Microsoft. Berkshire Hathaway. Hey, my guy was right, bro. The richest people are definitely in stocks because they own shares in all of these companies. Or these are all of their companies that they own majority of the investment in. So when you lose $91 billion in a day, you're like, hey, I don't care. This nigga like, man, I just gotta drop a product, man. It's good. I'm gonna drop a air tag for the Cyber truck that costs $13, and it'll let you do something, whatever. It'll just let you do something. $13, boom. You sell it to like half his customer base, subscription. Run it up quick. So it's easy, man. And the companies that we're in, they all sell products. Phillies, Gas, Delta, Valero, Airbnb, Delta again. This should be up here with this one. MPC, Marathon Petroleum. These two should be merged. Same thing with Phillies. Visa. They just missed their earnings report, bro. They missed their earnings report by 0.28%, B. 0.28%. Look, Visa earnings report. $2.8%, bro. 0.28. 0.29%. Had this went in my favor, they missed it by $300 million. Like, bro, in the broad scheme of things, dog, their revenue was expected to be $8.93 billion. They hit it by 8.9. And the stock fell 11 points, bro. 11. Are you serious, dog? Like that's crazy, bro. That is crazy to miss it by almost less than a quarter, almost barely more than 0.25%. Barely. That's what I'm saying, bro. That's what I'm saying. Like, that's why with this trading stuff, you gotta maintain, you gotta keep your emotions in order, because had this been plus like 2.9%, to the moon, you feel me? To the moon, bro. On the flip side, where it dropped 10 points, it might have went up 30, 40 points, you feel me? That's where them big gains is. We just got in on the earnings report. So what do? You feel me? We just try to find our little exit, B. We just try to find what our exit is. And when I say it's 260, so I'm going to set my alerts. I'm going to set my alerts right here on my phone so I don't miss it. On my phone, so I don't miss it. You dig me? I'm going to set the alerts at 259.50. 259.50 for sure. 259.50. 259.50. I'm going to set my alerts at 259.50. It's 259.50 there. My phone's gonna die. I'm gonna do it at 259.50 and then 261. $261.50. I think it was like a $2 move. $2 point move. So just in case, and then I'm gonna actually put it at 259, not 50, and then I'm gonna put it at 262. So then that give us a little 2-point move. So it's at 259 and 262. So within that range, I need to be able to be out, done with the trade, between 259 and 260. Done with the trade, out of it, on to the next, looking for something else to move into. And I'm thinking about honestly getting these center point, that CNP and that OVV. These right here from my July watch list on the 19th. I'm thinking about it. But for right now, we're just gonna just not bombard ourselves with too much. This is why. Oh my God, looking at your analysis is key, bro. Because not pushing the button too fast before everything is done. Like, I move very fast, bro. I move very, very, very fast. And it's still going down. Jesus Christ. It's gonna blow by that 258. It's still going down. Jesus. Well, that's pretty much all I got to say today. I just gotta keep, my spirits high, situation high. I ain't gonna lie, I had to pop boom. You wake up down 3,000. That's a third of a nigga profile. I was like, oh my God. I'm moving in a minute. I'm moving to a spot downtown. So I would have been in the gym right now for sure at my apartment. And I probably would just jumped in the pool, guaranteed, because you can't prepare for days like this, but I also gotta, get my mind right and tough. Get my mind right and tough, because it's gonna be days like this, and then it's gonna be days where I'm up, nigga, 40% on my account. You feel me? And I gotta be able to know, hey, pull out, stick with your analysis. You high, you up, boom, because it's gonna be days like this too when you down. Kashlight Green, I'm out, man. Thank y'all for joining.